Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I want to show you this beautiful 2022 Tri Glide. So Charlie brought this up from Alabama. It's a brand new CVO, had the factory HD audio by Rockford in it. So as most people have found out, HD audio by Rockford is very similar to Boom Stage 2 in the sense that you really can't hear it going down the highway. It's distorted, it's unclear, and if you've ever had a great system before, this isn't going to make you happy. So Volunteer Audio, our company, has a complete plug-and-play solution for these bikes, so we don't void the warranty, we don't cut anything, we don't cut any harnesses. And let me go over what we did on this beautiful bike. So in the uppers, we did the Hertz SX165Neo. That's a 6.5-inch coaxial with a tweeter mounted in the center of it. Now, Charlie listens to a lot of older music. He wanted some good bass to it, so we went the SV165Neos in his lowers. These are liquid-cooled lowers with radiators, but we have the proper adapters to be able to put the speakers in there. No modification was done to the bike. Nothing's done to void any warranty, and we've got plug-and-play lower harnesses as well. That SV is a solid mid-bass. There is no tweeter in it. When we have more mid-bass and less treble, you're going to hear more of the bass. So that's why we chose not to do the SX in the lower. Now, it also had factory Tour Pak pods, so it got another set of the SV mid-basses there. So now this system has 6 mid-basses and 1 pair of tweeters. That's going to give us a really full sound, good, crisp, clean highs from the front, but good mid-bass and bass all the way around. Now to top it off, we did the SP 4.900. That's that new Hertz amplifier. It's huge. 1,000 watt RMS, 2,000 watt peak, and it went in the fairing right where the factory HD Audio by Rockford amplifier went. And using our plug-and-play harness and our Rockford bypass plug, we were able to do all this without modifying anything and simply plugging it in place. So if you wanted to see this bike in a step-by-step install, just look back. We just did a 2022 Tri Glide. It's the exact same steps. The only difference on the HD Audio by Rockford is 1 bypass plug that we plug in the front, and we add new harnessing that plugs into the front pods that's already pre-wired in. So very simple install, same exact method from flashing the radio to routing all the wiring, same exact setup as the other Tri Glide we did. All right, so enough's being said about Charlie's bike. Let's check out and see what this thing sounds like. And I think you'll be absolutely amazed, just as I was as I tuned these amps last night. All right, here's our favorite time. We're here with Charlie. We're going to let him hear his bike. All the hard work's done, and here's the part that we've all been looking forward to. So let's see what he thinks about his new system. So I know the part you're missing out on is I can feel this music radiate through me. Yep. It's not just hearing it, I can feel it too. I can feel it in the concrete coming up through my shoes. So you know it's powerful when you can feel it. Now this is going to be honestly too loud. You're not going to need it that loud going down the road. But because it's too loud, that means we're not pushing things to the limits all the time. We can cut it down to a usable volume where we can hear it well going down the highway. We're not blowing speakers, we're not blowing amps. And if he wants to go up and show off, he can, and we've got it set where he also won't blow speakers and he won't take out amps. Best warranty in the industry, 3 years. I know you're going to have a lot of good service out of this. And if there's any problems, Volunteer Audio is going to take care of it. But thank you. I think it's turned out pretty awesome. Now we get to take it outside and see what it really does. All right, thank you for watching this video. A lot of times we don't have time to do that full step-by-step. If you wanted to see this, just go back to our previous video. We did another 2022 Tri Glide. Very, very similar install, other than the HD Audio by Rockford bypass plug. But we have the best tech support in the industry too, so you can call 1-844-30-AUDIO. If you don't see every step you need in that video, just call and we'll go over it with you and walk you through the install so you can do this yourself. But if this is outside of your wheelhouse, come to East Tennessee, come to Volunteer Audio. You can do just like Charlie did. Maybe we knock it out late on a Friday night or on a Saturday. So you spend very minimal amount of time here with us, but you get a great system done. We'd love to see you. Call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can visit www.volunteeraudio.com. You can also email us at sales@volaudio.com. But the easiest way, just comment right below this video, and we'll get back with you real quick to answer those questions you have. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please like this video. If you like the video, it's going to have other people find it much easier, and it's going to help Volunteer Audio move up in those search results. Thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed day.